What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your bike from this to this with just using home tools. This here is everything you'll be needing. All we have is a rag that can get dirty, a hard brush for the chain and the cassette. We have some WD-40, some chain loop, a drying rack, a bucket of soapy water and some brake cleaner. That's all you need. We're gonna wash the dirt off the bike. Okay, so now you've done that, you're gonna scrub down the whole bike with some soapy water and a sponge. Okay, once you covered the whole bike with the shampoo, you're gonna let it sit for 2 minutes and then you're gonna rinse it off with some water. It's been 2 minutes, now I'm gonna rinse the bike off. Now that the bike is fully washed off, we're gonna dry it with a rag. And there you go, your bike is clean. Now let's take it to the workshop to do some maintenance. Okay, so now we're in the workshop, so let's start. Okay, now after the wash we're gonna firstly clean our drivetrain. As you can see, it's very dirty and it sounds crunchy, so that's not good. It's a lot of dirt. We're gonna clean it using some WD-40. Only use it to clean the drivetrain, not to lubricate it, otherwise it attracts the dirt and makes it worse. And we have a cleaning rag that can get dirty. So let's begin. So now that we clean the chain, we're gonna take off the wheel to clean the cassette and the brake disc. Let's go. Now we're going to clean the cassette with some WD-40 and a hard bristle. Now that that's finished, we're gonna hose it down with some water. Now just dry it off and you're finished. When you clean the cassette, make sure you clean the brake disc after, so you don't have any oils on it when you brake. Let's do it right now. Now we're gonna clean the wheel off again and put it back on the bike. Tighten the bolt too much if you have one, because otherwise it will snap. There you go, now the wheel is back on. Now for the last part of the drivetrain, we're gonna clean these little wheels from the dirt they have on it. Just use a small screwdriver, doesn't matter which one, just to get the dirt off. As you can see, they have a lot of dirt. So that's finished. Now we're gonna clean the chain one more time and then we can put some chain oil on there. So this is the chain lube I use, so let's lube it. I'll show you how. Don't have to put too much on it, just drive the chain and put a little bit on there until you did the whole chain. And that's the whole chain. Now you just pedal a couple of times, shift the gears and then let it sit for a minute or two. While we wait for the chain to sit, let's clean the front disc. Just spray some on there. Now we spin the wheel and brake a couple of times. And lastly, we dry it off. There you have it. Now the brake disc is clean. The chain has been sitting for 2 minutes now. Now we're gonna lightly remove the excess. And just like that, your bike is ready for the next ride. Let me show you the before and after. That was it. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe.